to add delivery instruction on Uber Eats. First of all, head to your application. Now to add delivery instruction on Uber Eats, you need to proceed to the final checkout screen after building your basket. Now, in my region, this feature is not yet available, but I'll share you step-by-step instruction. So after you open the app, launch the Uber Eats application and add items to your cart. After that, go to checkout. Tap View Cart and proceed to the final checkout screen. Select Drop-off option. Under the delivery details, look for the Drop-off section. Example, leave at my door or meet at door. Now add delivery notes. Tap the instruction text box to type in specific details such as ring bell twice or leave by the side gate. Now save and place your order. Hit update to save your instruction, then place your order. In this way, you would be able to add delivery instruction on Uber Eats. That's it guys. Thank you for watching this video.